The Sony Xperia XZ2 features a new 19MP motion eye camera, focused on top-notch photography and 4K video recording, and it's got its work cut out, with the iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S9 and Huawei P20 Pro significantly raising the smartphone photography bar in recent months. Sony has once again employed smarts from its photography division, with the Xperia XZ2 boasting a Sony G lens, XMRS sensor for mobile and Bion's mobile image processor. It also inherits features such as predictive capture and autofocus burst from the XZ1 range, improving low light shots, keeping moving targets in focus and making sure that you don't miss a smile. The Sony Xperia XZ2 has some serious camera credentials then, and it also adds 4K HDR video and Full HD Super Slow Motion, 960 FPS, recording to its arsenal. The 4K video recording option is now found in a more logical place in the camera app. Slide across to video mode and then hit the settings icon to change the resolution. The default is Full HD. Previously, you had to slide across to the camera apps section to get to 4K video recording, which was rather counterintuitive, so it's good to see Sony learning from its mistakes here. Select 4K video recording, however, and you get a message on screen warning you that the performance of the handset may be affected by shooting at this high resolution, and that the camera app may close if the handset becomes too hot.